Okay, got another challenge lock here from RJ. Slag, or not slag, sorry, but looks like a Kwickset keyway. Lock does work. Lock looks like it's been around the block a time or two. There's a bidding on the key. It's 5 pin, I believe. Let's see, I don't know if that's going to work. Let me try. See if we can do. No, that's not going to work. I guess we can try this one. We'll start out with very light tension. A little on one, I believe, and two, slight turn. Let's lock that tension. A little better, I guess. Alright, let's go again here. Alright, there's 5. Slight turn on the core. There's 2. There's 1. Some more turn. There's 5 again. There's 3, I believe. A little bit more turn on 4, I believe. And there it is on 5. There it is. Okay. Let's move this one. Some of these locks, the hardest part is finding tension. A way to tension them, I think. On some. I've had some doozies. Okay. I actually didn't think that would open that quick. I really wasn't ready for it. Oh, good old clips. I believe that's the lock picker's friend, C-clips. It's pretty easy to take off. Let's see here. This may turn out bad. No, it was pretty easy. There's the key pins. They do work. Let's start with 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Turn these around real quick. Looks like 1 through 4 has been counter milled slightly. They all have threads. And that keyway wide open. Drive a truck in it. Alright. Guess we can turn it this way. So one is a spool. Two is a spool, I guess. Barrel looking spool. Another one. Okay. 5 is barely poking through. And 3 let's see here. There's 5. Which is a spool. Get springs out here. Which has 2. They kind of got together there. They weren't in the Bible that way. There we go. Well, they're all threaded, and 3 is in there. I see it. So I just have to take his top off. I can do it without it springing out everywhere. Before I do that, let me see. There it is. It was hung up on the thread of the Bible. Which it was in like that. Okay. So 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, all threaded in the Bible. Here's a close-up of the pins. This was hung up. Spool. They're all spools. This looks like a barrel type spool, I guess you'd call it. Thread or serrated key pins on the top of them. Okay. Everyone be good, be safe, be legal. Thanks RJ for the lock. And please subscribe. And have a good one, guys. Thanks.